Guys, today, we've ended game development forever. I just one-shot a real football game in 2 minutes with Claude. This is just insane. Let's dive in. So guys, I wanted to test how far AI coding has really gone. Everyone keeps saying AI can build websites, small apps, or basic vibe coding demos. But I wanted to push it harder. So I sent Claude one prompt: build a simple FIFA-style football game. But I did not ask for a tiny 2D toy. I asked for a full Three.js 11v11 World Cup football game in one single HTML file. A real football field, a big stadium, 22 players, home team and away team, passing, sprinting, shooting, tackles, auto player switching, keyboard controls, Xbox controller support, dynamic camera moves, super kicks, goal effects, and crowd energy. And the crazy part is, Claude actually built it. In 173 seconds, I had a playable 3D football game running directly in the browser. No Unity, no Unreal Engine, no downloaded assets, no dev team, just one prompt and one HTML file. The result was not perfect, obviously. This is not EA Sports FIFA. But it worked. You could run around, kick the ball, pass to teammates, shoot toward goal, and play a mini arcade football match. And what shocked me most is that AI is not just writing random code anymore. It is starting to understand the feeling of the thing you are asking for. Football should feel fast. The camera should follow the action. Shots should feel powerful. Goals should feel dramatic. And Claude actually tried to turn that into working code. After Claude, I also tried Codex from OpenAI, and I got similar great results. Maybe the graphics were not as impressive as what I got from Opus 4.7, but with GPT 5.5, it was still really good. Then I tried Lovable, the popular vibe coding platform, and again, the result was surprisingly strong. Maybe it is still early, maybe it is not FIFA level yet, but that is the point. This was one-shot generation and it actually works. We are basically in the Will Smith spaghetti moment, but for vibe coding. It looks weird sometimes, it breaks sometimes, it is not fully polished yet, but you can already see where this is going. And if this continues, it will seriously threaten a lot of creative jobs. Not because creators disappear overnight, but because one person with AI can now do what used to need a whole small team. This is not just about games. This is websites, apps, tools, simulations, videos, workflows, and full products being generated from plain English. And honestly, this is still the worst version we will ever have. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let's watch some football together.
Come on! My grandma runs faster than you! Bro, even I could score that!
Yeah? Then get in here, couch legend.
Wait, I was joking! I told you I had vision!